Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the topic linkers, and this topic is from unit 4 and the paper is F9. Before knowing the concept of linkers, firstly we will have to understand the concept of a structure of a language. How a language is formed or what is the structure of language. So if we want to know about linkers, why they are used, where they are used, then it is most important to know about the structure of language. Okay, we are not describing the structure of language. In a simple word, language is made up of by sentences. One thing you have to remember, we are not describing these things, only we are trying to understand the simple concept. Okay, so language is made up of by sentences, and sentences are made up of by words. Okay, and words are made up of by letter. Now what is the meaning of letter? We know English language has 26 alphabet. Means English language has from A to Z, and these are called as alphabet, and these alphabet are also known as letter. So when more than one letter combined, it form words, and when more than one words combined, then it forms sentence. But here not only combining the more than words is required. Here when more than one words combined, and if they give a meaning, then it will be called as sentences. It means sentences are always meaningful. It means sentences consist of many of words, and these all words give a meaning. When sentences combined, it make language. Now we will try to understand the concept of sentence. Here we take an example. We write here apple. How many letters are in apple? There are 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. If we add more word in this word, this is an apple. Can we say this is a sentence? How can we identify? So we know that there are, if more than one word combined, and if they give a meaning, then it will be called sentence. So one second, I am writing here language, sentence, word, letter. Okay, so here there are five letter, and these 5 letter combined, because we know more than one letter combined to form word. So there is 5 letter and they combine and it form a word. Now this has 4 words. This is an apple. It means if more than one word combined, it form sentence, and sentence should be always meaningful. It gives also meaning. So this is an apple, this is a sentence. We can say that this is a sentence, and a group of sentence can make a language. Clear? Now the next thing is, what comes in our mind? Linkers are language. Can we say that linkers are language? No, linkers are not a language. Linkers are sentence? No, it is not a type of sentence. Linkers are words? Yes, we can say linkers are words. But how? We will learn in the next. But this time we have to know that what are the linkers. Linkers are letter? No. So here it is clear. Language is made up of by sentences. Sentences are made up of by words. Words are made up of by letter. But if we see in all of these, then we find that linkers are only words. Okay, linkers are not language, not sentences, not letter. Linkers are words. So we have to remember two things. First thing is linkers are always words. Okay. If a question is asked to you, what are linkers? Then your answer will be linkers are words. The second things that we have to remember, what is the role of linkers or what is the role of words? So as the name linkers suggests, it can link. Okay. So we can say that the word that link, but what they link? They can link two word. Okay. Or sentence or phrase to a sentence, we can say. But here we have to remember two things. First thing is linkers are words, and the second thing is linkers can link two word. It means linkers link two word. What is the meaning of link? Link, it means connect. We can use another word connect. We can also use another word that is combine. Okay, and these all are known as link. Okay, so linkers are words, and the second is linkers link. But what they link? They link two word. They connect two word. They combine two word. Okay. Now come on the next page.